of Ian Weaver.
Hello, and we got Shooter Boy.
Shoot Boy. Yes.
Shoot Boy. I remember my name. I know my name.
With the AKA the capital Texas.
Austin.
Yeah, but welcome to our review of
Forza Horizon 4.
But first, I want to do a little channel update. If you're wondering why I'm uploading video game music all of a sudden, it's because I don't know. Recently, I just needed content on my channel that was drying out like a desert.
And I know you're all gonna say clickbait on the title for him saying that, but no, this is not clickbait. We're actually breaking this down. So
okay, so that was just a little channel update for you guys. There will be a Christmas haul stream too. This 25th of December.
I'm gonna
with
be
Kaylee
watching
Johnson.
that.
So
I won't be
back on topic. Let's get back on the rails.
Okay.
Forza Horizon 4. What are your thoughts on the game?
Well, I think it's a pretty good game. I've already gotten pretty high, and I feel like it turns into a time waster at one point.
Yeah, and like you get one car, you make it OP, like you only drive that car, and then there's nothing else to drive.
Yeah, but you can all you really do at this point, as how far I've gotten, and most likely how you have gotten, is you just buy cars, drive them once or twice, and then get back in your original car and just drive that. So it's kind of like a time waster.
Like all that's new is some stupid Fortnite dances.
Yeah.
Why do we need dances in the first place? Just because Fortnite and PUBG and some other games did it, doesn't mean Microsoft needs to cram that into their game.
I know, I mean, they don't really...
What's next? Microsoft puts dances in Minecraft?
Oh no, that's just gonna be terrible. You can't put dances in Minecraft, but I don't really play Minecraft though, so I wouldn't really care.
I play Minecraft sometimes still, just to check out some cool maps or something I found on the internet. Or either just doing a stupid experiment like what happens if you blow up an entire village.
Nothing actually really happens though. I mean, I don't know why we're going off topic to Minecraft, but yeah.
But yeah, Forza Horizon 4, great graphics. But you know, that's one thing. I'm not English, but here's one thing that triggers me. Where the frick is London? Where the frick is London? I am so mad at you, Microsoft. I'm so mad.
Yeah, I mean, if you make a game that's based off of Britain, you need London. I mean, you can't just leave it out.
And no, instead we had to get Edinburgh in Scotland.
When you talk about me always wanting Edinburgh Castle, though.
Yeah, Edinburgh Castle. That's the only thing you really kind of work for in the game. But then you have that OP car so you can get to it.
But I already have the first castle. I don't actually remember the name of it.
But it's the beachside one.
Yeah. The one where he tells you have to share all your all of your cars with people.
But this game does do better than some other games. For example, this game does a whole lot better than The Crew.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of people are excited for it. They want it, and well, I'm not trying to say this like a lot of people want it and need it, but some people actually need it because they fanboy over it. Or fangirl. Not judging your gender.
Actually, I tri-gender boy over it. But yeah.
Boy or girl?
I fan tri-gender it, so I'm offended. Yeah.
Okay, well that's that.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
See ya.